brave, we fight for what we believe. Feel the